back everyone Wednesday evening. Pretty nice day out today. A little bit of wind. The water is warming up. Bed around 6:20 p.m. obviously. A couple people out in the Papa's and Beer area. A couple people swimming. Not too many though. Got about 10-mile-an-hour wind blowing to the south. And I found out that it was not my headphones that make that buzzing sound. It's the actual phone when I go to make the video. So yeah, I need to trade this one in and get another. That's been the situation since I first got it. I made some videos and experienced the buzzing. So I don't know what that is, but some buzzing going on when I first start, and then seems to phase out after that a little bit. Thunder. I'll listen to that music. You got a family exercising up here. Got one big family exercising. That's pretty cool. There's the first one. Da, 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 da. And here comes the rest of the family right here. Here they come. Da, 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 da. I think it might be like some kind of a little, I don't think it's a family. I think it's more like a little runners group thing. So you can see who's in first though. Nice little calm summer day with a little bit of wind. Try to run super early in the morning. That way I don't have to run in the night. I like running in the evening, but I'd rather make video in the evening, and run during the morning. Remember how you used to walk way up there when we were down on the thing? Well, now we're up the same height as them. Perfect temperature out right now. Just with a little bit of wind, a little bit blowish. Gonna have a homemade carne asada tacos tonight, I'm pretty sure. If I can make it there without getting drunk. It's been pretty depressing lately, not selling any clothes. I think we sold 50 pesos today. So yeah, looking like it's time to close the stores because the clothes are not selling. We're gonna do one more deal of 30 pesos, 3 for 100 pesos, 40 pesos each. See if I can't drum up a little bit more business, but I'm really thinking that this is probably the end of the clothing and need to get the apartments built right away. So yeah, we're gonna be having gonna make a couple videos, just little closeout sales. 3 pieces for 100 pesos, 40 pesos, and then 100 pesos for like jackets, sweatshirts, any kind of other nice sweaters or any kind of other nice clothes like that, 100 pesos, but otherwise 3 for CN. Starting September 1st for the Independence Month of Mexico. One last blowout sale. And then I think I'll close the old store. So that'll be the store in Calle Jalisco, Constitution of 27. We'll close that store as soon as we get done with this closeout sale, which should only take about a month, I think, to close everything out. And we just donate the rest of the stuff, whatever doesn't sell, in 30 days. So if you can, get down there and get some of the good deals. Got a lot of nice stuff. A lot of nice clothes, all new clothes. The clothes that we donate and stuff are ripped or torn or got marks or blemishes on them. We usually donate them or put it for 10 pesos. So yeah, Chichis Ropas al por Mayor on the corner of Calle Jalisco and Constitution of 27. We'll be starting the sale, I think, maybe this week or next week. Somewhere in there. So yeah, check that out. Put the location in the description. Closeout sale going on now. Still a lot of people down at the public parking. Some kids out playing in the water. Hopefully this weekend will be a huge weekend. I don't think we have any storms planned. I'm planning on going out into the water. I think it's going to be a great weekend, so if you guys get a chance, you're going to come down this weekend. Hopefully we'll see you at Rosarito Beach. Should be a pretty nice and lovely weekend. I'm thinking. These guys brought the little toy smoothies, so they can dive around with good things. That's always fun. Or a little a boat would be nice to be racing around on the water out there. It's gonna be an early sunset tonight. It looks like a bunch of fog and stuff right over there going. Thanks again for all you new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. Got a lot of fun and exciting things coming on here this next month, September 15th. Month of September. A lot of changes going on, a lot of things happening. So be prepared for the ultimate videos of Cerrito Beach. Thank you guys again. Please be safe out there. Hopefully we'll see you at Cerrito Beach this weekend.